You can now extend the boundary of plies and cores by a specific value. You can extend both outer as well as inner loops. The extend will always remain inside the layup surface. You can extend one or more edges or chains in a single extend by value operation. This enhancement increases productivity and provides more flexibility during the composite design and preparation for manufacturing.